Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, I have an amazing video for you. I'm going to show you how to convert your text into a video. And the best part is, it's completely free, so let's dive right in without wasting any time. Open Chrome browser. Type kareadui.com. Sign up with Google. Click on Free Trial. Click this option. Select your favorite choice. Paste your script. Select your favorite voice. Select your video's language. Check your voice.
Mobile refers to the ability of an object or device to be easily moved or carried from one place to another. In the context of technology, mobile typically refers to devices such as smartphones.
Click this option. Click this option. Download this video.